In this video, we are going to learn about how to add a Terms and Conditions tab to MYFUNDBOX's checkout page. Once you have logged into your MYFUNDBOX account, go to Configuration from the menu. Click on Customize your checkout page. Now click on Preference to find the Terms and Conditions tab. And enter your terms and condition links. Once the links are entered, enable the toggle. Now go to Brand Settings and click on Publish Changes. To check if the terms and conditions are added, go to the checkout page. You've successfully added a Terms and Conditions tab to MYFUNDBOX's checkout page, providing your customers with a clearer, more transparent experience. This enhancement ensures they understand the terms before purchasing, boosting trust and compliance.